everybody, welcome to another edition of Model Car Memories. In case you haven't seen on Instagram, I've got this 1960 Chevy pickup. As you see, we got the little toolbox here and a jack and all that. I've already got the wheels off because every single one of them had been twisted and turned the other way, so I threw them in the freezer for a couple days and let the glue pop off of them. So I've cleaned those up already. There's not much wrong with this truck, just want to clean it up. Got to glue the wheels back together. One of the mirrors is off of it. It's like something else is missing from right here, possibly an antenna or something like that, but I haven't seen it. I'll dig through the spare parts to see if I can find something that'll fit there. And then I only had one axle for it, so I got a bunch of spare axles, so I'll do that. So let's see here. Let's get everything out of the bed of the truck there and on that. So get my brush here, and like always, I'll just start brushing away the heavy stuff before I get to the cleaning it actually with water, or the soapy water. So I'll do that and then come back to you when I'm done. Okay, I was able to get the body apart. It only was held in by 2 screws, and the part that screws go into, those broke. So I've got those gluing back together. The horn fell off when I went to put the horn on, then the radiator fell off. So I've got all that, the glue setting on this. I've got the wheels back together. These wheels are pretty great. So they're setting up, and some of them were so bad, you got on the back side of them, chunks of them were taken out, so I'm just waiting for the glue to set up. I did find another axle. Let's get them here, they're real small. So I've got 2 axles on here. For the engine part of it, you can see went with the tripower on it. And I don't know what I'll do. There's 2 different slots for the axle to go in. I guess kind of make it, I might, I don't think there's a hole in the block, so you can put it in the lower one on the front there. So, and of course there's a red exhaust on here, like he'd always done. Interesting note, just last night, my mom had showed me some paperwork she found where my stepdad's father had a 58 Chevy pickup. Don't know what color it was, don't know if it was red like this one, so this one being a 60, just kind of wondering if he saw a truck on the street and he made one look like that, or if he made it look like his dad's truck. I don't know. But I'm going to let all this set up and then reassemble it. I'm going to wait to put the side mirror on last because I don't want to knock it off while I'm assembling everything together. So, and I tried to find something for the antenna there. I have lots of antennas, but they're all got a slant to them or something like that. Another thing I found a tonneau cover. It's faded out a little bit and it's got a little warp to it. So while this is gluing up, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm set this in some hot water for a little bit and then set something heavy on it and see if I can get it to kind of go back flat. And yeah, it's really bad right there. And if I can't whiten this up, maybe I'll shoot a coat of white paint on it or something like that. And but usually this other stuff, I've been using this Liquid Comet, and it's gotten stuff really white before. On the last convertible I did, it really did a good job on the top of that. So gonna let all the glue set up and then come back to it and assemble it and see what we got. All right, I've got the truck finally assembled here. Got the other side view mirror glued onto it. Wasn't able to get the inside of the cab out, so I got in there real carefully with a cotton swab, cleaned around in there pretty good. I opted to keep it at the stock height. It just didn't look well because if I had a rake to it or it was lowered, there's a trailer that goes with this. I haven't cleaned the trailer up yet, so wanted to be able to keep the trailer on there. So And then with the engine, after I put it together, I noticed there was a part missing, and you can see where something was glued, and I started digging around in the spare parts that was in the bed of the truck. Found it. So I guess it's the air conditioning unit there. Then there's something else. I see something else in there just now. See if I can get it out here. Something kind of stuck in there. Let's see. Don't know what it is. I literally just saw this. Oh, there we go. He must have had that stuck in there. It looks like a little fire extinguisher or something like that. But it's just rattling around and it just got stuck in the floorboard down there. So, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And then also on Instagram, I'll post detailed up-close photos of this truck on Instagram. Just look for Model Car Memories on Instagram. And thanks to all the new people that have subscribed to the channel. And we'll check you out in a couple weeks.